Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, we will try to create some more floor here. Go to the ground floor now. Okay. And here we'll create one small floor in this portion, and then we'll give one complete layout here. So just select your elevations part and take it them little far. Okay. So take it little far. Far, and even here also. Take it little far. Fine. So what we will do, no, this is the entire your entrance portion and all, no. We'll give one small extra space here. So simple again, go back to the architecture, go to the floor, and this time what we will do is we'll edit a flooring here. We'll go to this edit type, and we'll create a duplicate. I'll give here entrance, not entrance, outside, outside floor. You can write whatever. I'm giving entrance lobby, or I written outside floor. Okay for me. I'll go to edit. I'll go to this edit option here, and here you go to the option. What we will do is we'll create a new material. We'll do that. Okay, or even we can load it. We'll create a new material. So again, create a new material, and yeah, rename this, say 03, and the name will be outside, outside floor. Okay, done. So that's it. Outside floor will come here, 03. Click on this, go to this option, go to appearance library, and here you come here. There's option called a site work, right? Click on the site work. So in the site work, you get different things, paver blocks and all you get. You can see here, no? Certain paver blocks. Let me show you the paver block. Yeah, this is paver. Then we have interlocking. Lot of things you get here. Hmm? So you can take anything. Shall I click on this? Let me say. Yeah, I'll double click on this. So that will be activated here. You can see that it's updating. So it will look something like this. Is this okay for me? You can select anything. This is also something much red. What is this? Okay, this is not required. I'll go with some paver only, square brick red. Okay, it will look like this. Running brick, not required. Pea stone, river stone, sand, sand smooth, soil, wood stock. You can click anything. I'll think I'll go with this one. Okay, this I'll go with this paver. Paver square brick red. I'll click on this. I double clicked on this. Close this. It will come here. And if you want to change the color of this, you can change the color. Just make it more dark or more lighter. It's up to you. It's updating you. That's fine. We'll keep this only, and I'll say okay to this. So it has come here. I'll say okay. I'll say okay. Floor outside, and create this. Take this boundary from here. Not the boundary. Take this line element. We'll create from here. We'll create like this. Create outside. Okay. Create little outside. That is fine. And create little outside from here up to this distance. Come up to here, and we'll align up to this distance. Okay, great. One problem is that this has gone little outside. We'll bring them inside. I mean, this is 2.75. Here I will not get, no. Yeah, how much is this? 1.8, no. So we'll make it to 1.8. Make it to 1.8. Enter. Finish. And say finish. Okay. Okay. It's what it's telling. Must be a close, no. Okay, we'll close it. We'll close it. Click on this. Click on this and close it here. Shall I say okay? Okay. Okay. Still it is telling it has to be a closed one, no? Okay. We'll close it. We'll close this entire thing. Okay. I can click on this, bring it like this, then bring it like this. Stop it here. That's it. Simple. And say okay. Now it's fine. And go and check your 3D model. So it's coming like this. Okay. A small kind of, floor I've created here. This kind of paver, you can see this kind of thing. You can do whatever you like. This is what I've done. Now let me do one more thing. One complete site I'll create now. Second, go to the floor option. Go to this thing, edit type, and here we'll make a duplicate. We'll put here uh, green floor or green carpet. Anything is okay. I'll say okay. I'll say go to edit. I'll click on this, and here we get a grass material. Okay, you get a grass material. Click on this. Go to site option. Where is my site? Yeah, grass is there. I want a grass from here. So it's not available. Miscellaneous. Or you just write here grass. Check if it's available. Okay, it's not available. If it's not available, then we have to create a new material. No problem. Click on this, create a new material. Where is that? New material. Create new material. It's not working. Wait. Yeah, double click on that. And here, create new material. And right click, rename, write just grass. And say 05 or 04, whatever it may be. I'll write 05. So it will come here. Click on this. Go to this option. Go to appearance library. And here you go to the site work. And in the site work, you get the grass here. See, these are the different grass what is available. Pick any grass, whichever you want. I'll go this high quality, this grass. I double click on this. So it will come like this. Okay, that is okay for me. I'll click OK. This grass will come. I'll say OK. I'll say OK. I'll say OK. And now randomly you pick from here like this. And just draw one grass like this. This is one thing what I've drawn. Okay, this much big up to here. After that, pick this line, take the line. We have to give a boundary. If I say this thing, it will not work. Highlighted floors overlap, it will come. So that is why you have to again say Control Z. So this is done. No? Once you have given one outer boundary, go to this option here. And now from here, we'll start. Here, this is a boundary what I'm giving. Inside this only that should come. So come here. Here be a little bit careful. Come up to here. This is already given. So this is a boundary for us. Come up to here. Again, go up to this end. Go up to this end. Go up to this end. Go up to this end and finish it off. That's it. Last portion. Okay. Understood? Done. And say okay. That's it. Now you see the 3D view of this. Is it not looking good? So this is how it's going to look now. Okay. Entire thing I have given. This is how it looks. Now here, instead of this grass, if you want something else, whatever you want, you can load. I taught you how it has to be done. Now we'll make it a little more beautiful. We'll put some plants and all here. Very simple. Go to component. So in the component, go to load family. So in the load family, here there is option called as site. This option called as site. Where is that? Site here. Okay, site. Here there's option called as utilities. Okay, utilities not required. There's option called as parking. Parking also not required. Option called as logistics. In logistic, we have some car also available. And go to accessories. In accessories, we have this thing. Okay, this is not required. We'll go back. Go back to India. Go back to not site. Go back to some planting. Yeah, you have option called as planting. Click on that. So you have different plants available. We'll take this one plant from here. I'll say open. And just keep one plant here. Wherever you want, you keep it randomly. I kept it here. It's taking some time. See, I kept it here this way. Similarly, keep one more here. Yeah, but now again, we'll not use that. We have another option. Go to the option called as massing and site. Click on massing and site. Here there's option called as site component. Click on that. And now if you click here, no, lot of trees is available here. Whichever you want, click any of this. For example, I'll take this red maple, 9 meter, and let me place one here, and let me place one somewhere here. Then again, I'll click on this. I'll go with some, this thing. You pick whichever you want. I'm just randomly picking some of them. I'll keep one here. Then again, I'll click on this. Let me go with this windmill palm. Okay, small trees I'm taking. Then again, click on this. Go with orange tree. Then again, click on this. Go with some golden. Whatever you want, you just pick it and keep it. Okay, that's sufficient. That's it. Finish. You see how I've done that? No? This way you can prepare your site layout and all. Now again, if you want to align and all, you can align them. Go to ground floor. So if you want properly alignment, how you will do the proper alignment? Alignment command. See, this is not properly aligned, isn't it? Very simple. We'll align everything in one line. This all the plants will come in one line. Very simple. Make use of this modify command. Go to this align option. Click on that. Click the center of this. 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 This will work when you, okay. Then again, this will work whenever you are switched on the multiple alignment. Click on the center of this. Click on the center of this. That's it. Click on the center of this. Everything is aligned. Got it? No. That's it. Finish. Escape. Same thing you want to do it here, you can do. This is already aligned. This will align. Again, I'll go to modify, to align command. Pick the center of this, pick this center, pick this center. Everything is aligned. Good. Enough. Now see the 3D view of this. That's it. See how beautiful it's looking, right? Now let us say since it's a hostel building, not an issue. We'll keep one, car here. We'll keep one truck or one car, school bus, anything is fine. Go to the component, and go to the load family. And here we'll go to this India. And here we have to go to site, no? We went to site. We go to logistics. In the logistics, there is no such thing. Only concrete mixer is available. Pickup is available. Yeah. We'll do one thing. I have certain this thing with me, families. I'll click on the family. Whichever you have, you do that. Okay. It's not mandatory that whatever I'm doing, you have to do. You pick whichever you want. I have few vehicles here. There's one school bus available. I'll pick that school bus. Yeah, there's one school bus available. I'll take it. Yeah, let me place it here. This will look good. Yeah, see here, it's looking like this. Looking good, right? Good. Let me place one car. Maybe the warden of this particular hostel may come in car. I'll take a component. I'll go to load family. There is a car available here. Okay. Where is that? Yeah, I have a Lamborghini here. Maybe the warden of the hostel will come in Lamborghini. So let me place that here. Okay, somewhere here, I'll place it. That's it. Great. So this way, what we have done the entire placing of furniture, any of we had placed. We have placed all the plants, then we have given one layer here. No, this is how the site kind of layout is done. It's looking good, isn't it? So this way you can make your drawings more attractive. Now I have explained you most of the things. You can use your brain and try to see how beautiful you can do it. Maybe you can put some plants even in this side. Try to explore certain components and all. And also I told you that you can always download all the components. Okay. If you go to Google and yeah, so if you come here, go to Google and if you just write here, Revit families, you get this www.beamobject.com. This is one thing what we have. Then we have another one, measure survey. Click on that. And yeah, so if you go to this this thing, Google Revit families, click write Revit families. Here you get this option called as measure survey 365.co.uk. Click on that. It will open up like this. You get a lot of furnitures. You get a lot of, you see car families is available here. Click on the car families. Okay, and come down, scroll down. So you get a lot of car here. You can see any number of car. If you want this car, BMW, you just click on that. You have to download. See, it's getting downloaded here. Can you see here? It's downloaded. So this way, whatever you want, you download each and everything. Okay, that way. Similarly, if I go back here, see, not only that, if I want a plant families, you see Revit plant families is available. Click on that. So whatever plants are used, no, everything is available. See here, this kind of pots we can download, and in the interior, when we do some, residential buildings, we can make use of all these things and all. So it will look more beautiful, right? So these things can be done. So you have to explore certain things on your own. So try to download and all, and then you can make this plant. You see, you can make a good elevations and all. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. Try to practice up to here. And in the next lecture, we'll try to see the staircase part. Most of the things we have done here, we'll put the staircase, we'll create a ramp. Then we'll also have to put, no, we have to give this, what you call sunshade has to be given here. We'll make it more beautiful in the next and upcoming lectures. I'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.